Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Before we jump into today's review, if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of our latest videos. Today, we're taking a look at the IDOTATA EU Delivery 1000W electric bike. This innovative bike is the perfect solution for urban commuting and mountain biking, and it's packed with features that make it a real game-changer in the Ebike market. First of all, when you order this bike, be sure to choose China delivery to avoid all taxes and value-added taxes. In fact, the goods will be shipped from the EU warehouse, which can save you up to 30 on customs duties and get your delivery within 510 working days. Now, let's talk about some of the most frequently asked questions about this Ebike. No, there are no tariffs for EU countries when shipping from China, and the battery is easily removable. And don't worry about warranty service. Important parts like batteries and motors are covered for a year, and wearable parts are available for purchase. And when it comes to delivery, you can expect your goods to be sent out within 3 days, with shipping times as short as 37 days for EU countries. Plus, the Ebikes are shipped from local warehouses in various countries, with trackable logistics, so you can keep an eye on your delivery every step of the way. But let's dive into the nitty-gritty details of the IDOTATA electric bike. It's equipped with a powerful 1000W motor, a sturdy aluminum alloy frame, and a waterproof rating of IPX4. You're looking at a max speed of 57 km/h, with a pure electric mode range of 4,550 km. And with features like a Shimano 7-speed gear system, LED headlight, and mechanical disc oil brake, this bike is ready to tackle any terrain with ease. And the cherry on top? The footrest is foldable, the LCD display keeps you informed on your ride, and the removable battery means you can keep the adventure going for longer. So if you're in the market for a high-quality electric bike that can handle any journey you throw at it, be sure to check out the IDOTATA 1000W electric bike. And the best part? It's available with VAT and shipping for free, with a warranty on key parts for an entire year. So, don't wait any longer, check out the link in the description to get your hands on the IDOTATA electric bike and experience a whole new level of biking freedom. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.